It's actually made the planning process for that business better. It's actually by linking the payroll data, the staff costs from our payroll system to Kepion. We've been able to manage the workforce better in our NDIS business because it's driven by the workforce that we have available, and we need to manage the workforce effectively. So our workforce is mainly made up by therapists who are required to actually provide support to families at their homes. During these times, it's being done online, but their hours are actually billable hours. So with Kepion, we've been able to actually control staff costs and also review the billables and ensure that the recovery rates are what we expect. This allows us to actually make better decisions and allows these service leaders to manage staff ratios more effectively.